हांव आख्खे गोंय भोंवता. आमी पेरणे गेले, वालपय गेले, सांगे गेले, काणकोण गेले. गोंयकारांचो एकूच उलो, एकूच ताळो, एकूच मागणें की पुरो गोंयां बदल जाय. आमच्या स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांनी पुलिसाचे फार सोंसले, बोंडकोण सोंसली, आपलो जीव दिलो, हुतात्मे जाले, मार्तीर जाले. कित्याक तांकां जाय आशिल्लें प्रत्येक गोंयकार स्वाभिमानान हे गोंय आसपाक. आमच्या देशाच्या घटने प्रमाणे कोणूय नेणार वचोनूय, कोणूय बेकार वचोनूय, कोणूय गरीब वचोनूय. हांव चड उलोवपाक सोदना कित्याक पिपल्स चार्जशीट आमची मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट तुमकां रिलीज करतली. पूण एकूच हांव सांगूंक सोदतां, आयज जशें हांवें म्हणलां गोंयकारांचे कठीण दीस आयिल्ले आहा. गोंयकार फाटीं वचोन लागल्या कित्याक गोंयचे उदरगत सुदारप विकास ना. You see the human resource indicators, the economic indicators, good governance indicators are for the first time in the history of Goa are in the lowest of the lowest ebb. ह्या वेळार हांव एकूच उलो मारतां, जशें आमच्या स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांनी उलो मारलो गोंय वाटाय, जशें आमच्या वडिलांनी उलो मारलो एकवटान रावाय. तुम्ही खंयचेय भागांतले, खंयचेय पक्षांतले, खंयचेय जावन आमी सगळ्यांनी एकवटान हें झूज फुडें व्हरपाची गरज आहा. आमचें स्वप्न, तुमचें स्वप्न गोंय आदर्श करपाचें, हें स्वप्न तरी पुरो जातलें. आमी वावुरपाची गरज आहा. आनी हांव सरकाराक सोदितां, सांगूंक सोदतां, यू मे स्टॉप or withdraw your permission. You cannot stop TMC. We are street fighters. If you don't allow us, we will go on the street and fight. But we'll fight for Goa. We'll fight for Goa's victory. And we'll fight to ensure the dream of our forefathers, freedom fighters, is achieved. देव बरें करूं. आतां हांव मागतां आमची डायनॅमीक Member of Parliament, Ms. Mohua Moitra, to release this People's Charge Sheet. देव बरें करूं. What do you want to do?
Oh, take care, huh?
Yeah.
Take this one.
You okay? Comfortable? Gosh, you just give a little bit inside.
Yeah.
You are not doing it.
Reading that? Yeah, just hold it, please. Reading it up?
You read it or you do whatever you have to.
No, सामने
Front page, like this.
Correct? Down a little bit.
morning, met her father, Sandeep Naik, and other members of the family. They are saying we can't bring back our daughter, but we want justice. We want the perpetrators of the torture to be apprehended, to be arrested, proper inquiry done. So this is more or less the sum and substance of the charge sheet. I shall now request Mohua Mundro to elaborate on the same.
Thank you very much. I think one of the questions that is perhaps in the minds of a lot of people, and it's certainly a question we get faced with very often, is what is the Trinamool Congress going to do in Goa? I get calls from friends who say we see big posters of the Trinamool in Goa, we see big hoardings. Is Mamta Deen really going to come to Goa? What do you see in Goa? Well, the answer, the short and sweet answer as to what we're doing in Goa lies in this. This is exactly what we are doing in Goa, because the Goa government has failed its people for the last 20 years, whichever government has been in power. The government that is currently in power is not a government that was voted in by the Goans. It was a government that is sitting in power today because of last-minute, late-night machinations held in the lobby and rooms of five-star hotels. It is not one that has been given the mandate by the people. Even the Chief Minister of Goa was the Defence Minister of India. He was made to resign, brought back as Chief Minister of Goa. Unfortunately, died a very untimely death. He was ailing, he was Inspector Mac. But even then, the person who's been put in his place now is not a person who was ever mandated by the people of Goa to be their Chief Minister. So Goa and the Goan people, unfortunately, have been suffering under this instability for a very long time. I'm not going to belabor a lot of points in this, but there are 4 or 5 things that are really worth bringing out. The first is that 25% of the Goan youth is unemployed. 25%. The second, and this will strike a chord with almost all of us Indians, who, because of being a developing country, suffer with insecurity. The average Goan cannot afford to buy a home in their home state. Goa is touted as a tourist paradise, is touted as a holiday home for many rich Indians, but the average Goan cannot afford to buy a home in Goa. So who is the government running it for Goans or for everybody else? The third, if you think about it, is that what is the main source of income in Goa? Fishermen. The fishermen's catch has declined over 86%, and the subsidy by the government is down by 40%. One of the most striking, I would say, striking things about Goa, at least growing up, and certainly when I was a young girl, was that it's a very egalitarian society. Goa is safe. You can walk on the beach at night. These were things growing up for Goa. Today, when we went to the house of Sandeep Naik, whose daughter, Siddhi, was found on the beach in Kalinkute, unclothed, apparently dead by drowning. But while the post-mortem says death by drowning, the investigation has not yet been carried out. The father of Siddhi Naik told us that I can't bring my daughter back, but there are 5 rapes in Goa every month. And I don't want any parent to suffer the way I have. So law and order in Goa has reached an absolute abysmal bottom under this government. These are the reasons why we are here. Out of over 1,600 assembly seats over the last, since Goa came in, only 83 women have ever been given tickets in Goa. And that is one of the reasons we are here. TMC has given representation to 41% women in parliament. I'm one of those who stand here today. We think Goa deserves better, and we think Mamta Banerjee can do it. When Mamta Banerjee started out, there was everyone who pointed a finger and said, what, she's going to remove the CPM? Are you mad? But you know what? It took her 34 years, but she did it. And you know what? We are here in Goa and we're going to do it. And that's the end of that. That is why we are here. We are here for Siddhi Naik. We are here for every single woman who cannot walk on the streets. We are here for every single youth who cannot get a job where there's 25% unemployment. And we are here for every single Goan who cannot buy a home in their own state. We are here. We are here to stay. And as long as it takes us, we will fight to the finish. Thank you very much. So, a new dawn for Goa.
Now I shall request Babul
We have
Supriyo.
got Sri Babul Supriyo to
must be knowing, he was the union minister 10 days back. 7 June. So he is with us. We are in us.
Thank you so much, respected friends, all of us from different fields of life, as I see, advocates, activists, producers, boxers, footballers, and of course people from different parties who've joined TMC. We have respected Saubhadra Roy, he needs no introduction. We have the fiery Moham Mitra, who put her points very straight as to why TMC is here, why we think that people from Bengal can be with the people of Goa and fight together, heart to heart, to give Goa a Goan government which is not remote controlled from Delhi or from anywhere else. Goa is going to get a government that is made and which is of the people of Goa, for the people of Goa, and by the people of Goa. Moham Mitra rightly said that, BJP did not get the mandate to make the government over here in Goa. But let me tell you that Congress has also failed people in more ways than one, and though they may have got 17 seats, people are absolutely disillusioned with the BJP and also the Congress. And what is the connection between, Bengal and Goa? Why, as she said, she fought this Mamata Banerjee, our leader, she fought the CPM in Bengal, and now is the only female chief minister to have a third term, one after the consecutive. So why is it that we are here to establish, to give Goa what they have not really got in the last 20 years or so? It's, there's a very, if I lightheartedly may say, Goa and Bengal, we are connected by heart. We are the two nations, states who play football. We love football. What is your staple food? Fish and rice. We do the same. So I think, in many ways, in terms of our entertainment, in terms of the way we think, the way we eat, in many ways more than one, Goa and Bengal. If you see the number of Bengali tourists come to Goa every year, you will understand that this is a very natural destination for TMC to come and fight for the people of Goa. If you see the chart sheet here, you will find out it's not only the Goa government which has failed the state of Goa, but also how the remote controlled government from the center has not, has not lived up or not even gone close to what they have been, they have been saying over the years that it's a double-engine sarkar, where they have a state government of BJP, it's a double-engine sarkar. Let me tell you that sometimes double engine is made to work better, but sometimes when you talk about failure, a double engine can double the failure, and I think that is the case that we have in Goa. If you see the MSME sector, Bengal has the largest number of MSMEs in the country, and Goa has the lowest. Now, why is it so? You cannot just say that it's because of the COVID or what we saw in the last 2 years. It's been happening for 2 decades. Goa is one, it's happening for the last decade, and we have seen an 18.6% decrease. Now, if you see, can you really, you definitely blame the state government for not giving the support that MSME deserves. But then, you cannot, I was in BJP, as he said, yes, I was the union minister for 7 years, till the 7th of July. I resigned from the Lok Sabha. I was a twice MP only last week. Just last Monday, just a week back. But when you're in the government, you can't say things. But there are dissents inside the BJP where we felt that when a huge decision like demonetization is taken, it should have many things, many aspects should have been thought about. And I think one of the biggest industries, one of the industries which has been hit the most in the most cruelest form possible is the MSME industry. And what did the Goa government do? They did not do anything more that they could have done to help, somewhere repair the damage that the supreme leader of BJP, Modi ji, the Prime Minister had. Demonetization, we had Raghuram Rajan, the then governor of RBI. He did not agree to it. As we know that even the finance minister then, Arun Jaitley ji, was probably, there are reasons to believe so, probably not even aware of the demonetization thing. And those things really hurt the economy of the country. And Goa being a tourist dependent country, when you have small enterprises closing, it does have a huge cascading effect on everything that goes on here. Today morning we went to meet the family of Siddhi Nayak. That was not a political statement. It was a humane statement. If you see, the post-mortem itself had so many loopholes in it. The post-mortem law says that at least 3 doctors should be present. It should be, photographed by CCTV cameras, video recorded of CCTV cameras, and a part of the viscera should have been preserved because it was a contentious issue. And then a 3-member committee was formed because entire Goa rose up against this injustice, the family not getting justice or not getting a closure to what really happened to the 19-year-old child. What did the committee say? That yes, the death was because of drowning, but was there a homicide angle to it? They said that more investigation needs to be done. We know about the Scarlet Keeling case in 2008 when due to the pressure created by the people of Goa, due to the pressure created all over India, and the mother of Scarlet Keeling, a CBI inquiry was got. A CBI inquiry was made on that. But what is happening with this case? You just can't let someone, just because he's a middle class poor man who cannot go to fight with the almighties here. You just don't get an investigation, don't get a closure as to what happened. There are many reasons more than one to believe that there was some foul play in it. But if there was no foul play, just do an investigation, bring it to a closure. So there are several things I think that in terms of number of representations that women have in the parliament, if you see the numbers here, I'm not going to repeat that, you know how many women, there is social injustice, there is inequality in the society in terms of who represents the people of Goa. And therefore, I think that I urge all of you to not only stand up against these wrongdoings, but also to ensure that Bengal, the connect that we always had with Goa, gets even more strengthened under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee ji. She's coming here on the 20th, as you all know. Let's gear up and let's make a government in Goa which is going to be by the people of Goa, for the people of Goa, and of the people of Goa. And I think that is what the crux of the story. Thank you so much, people from the media and otherwise people from elsewhere. You can turn the mics off. That's fine, but you cannot drown our voices. The voices, they speak sometimes louder than the mics. So thank you so much once again. Thanks for being with us. And this the black tag that we're wearing, it actually is a preamble of all the charges that you will find in it. Thank you so much. Please go through.
आमचे बरोबर आमचो एक तरुण लीडर टीएमसीचो सिनियर लीडर बाब यतीश नायक हे सांगिल्लें तें आमचे माय भाशेन समरायज
आमचे राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष गोंयचे आदले मुखेलमंत्री बाब फलेरो, नामनेचे फिजिक्स प्रोफेसर आदले केंद्रीय मंत्री खासदार लोकसभेचे प्रोफेसर शोभत रॉय, नामनेची इन्व्हेस्टमेंट बँकर जी आता लोकसभेची खासदार आसा श्रीमती मावा मोइत्रा, नामनेचे एक्टर सिंगर जे लोकसभेचे खासदार आशिल्ले, जे केंद्रान मंत्री आशिल्ले ते बाबूल सुप्रियोजी, म्हजे सगळे वांगडी, प्रेसांतले फ्रेंड्स. आयची परिस्थिती ही एक एग्जाम्पल गोंय कित्यातल्यान वता तें. आणि आयची परिस्थिती कितें, मायक आसा पूण वापरूंक मेळना, परमिशन एप्लाय केल्यार रिजेक्ट जाता. कोण करता? हांगा सगळ्यो पार्ट्यो मिटिंगो करता, सगळ्यांक परमिशन दिता, टीएमसी कित्याक दिना? हांगा खंयच्या पार्टेन फंक्शन करूं ना तें सांगचें. हांगा सगळ्या पार्टींनी फंक्शनां केल्या, सीसीपी परमिशन दिता वापर म्हणून, ही सीसीपीची प्रॉपर्टी. आणि डेप्युटी कलेक्टर सांगता की तुजो मायक आमी तुका उलोवंक वापरूंक दिवचे ना. हो मायक सरकाराक धाडपाक आमी तयार आहा, वापरपाची गरज ना म्हणून. हो मायक जाय जाल्यार आतां मुख्यमंत्र्याक धाडटा रेजिस्टर रेडी करून, हो वापर म्हणून तुमी. मायकाची गरज ना. आमी रस्त्याचेर झगडून आयल्या, देवान ताळो व्हडलो दिला, लोक आमच्या बरोबर आसा, उत्स्फूर्त आसा. मायकाची गरज ना. हे सरकार एक आर्बिट्ररी हाय हँडेड सरकार जावन आसा. आणि ह्या सरकाराक ह्या हाय हँडेड परिस्थितींतल्यान देंवोवपाची गरज आसा. आणि गोंयांत जशें हे सरकार चल्लां तशेंच केंद्रान सरकार चल्लां. हांकां दिसता हे आपले भाट म्हणून. हे भाट न्हय, बीजेपीचे भाट न्हय हे गोंय. हे गोंय लिबरेट करपाक गोंयकारांनी जीव दिला. प्रत्येक फिल्डान एक्सेल करून गोंयची नामना वयर व्हेल्या आणि गोंय प्रगती पथार वचपाक प्रत्येक नागरिकाचो हात आहा. पूण आज कितें परिस्थिती आहा, ही चार्जशीट हाडपाक परिस्थिती कित्याक आयली? इन्फ्लेशन खंय पावला, म्हारगाय खंय पावल्या. तो प्रायम मिनिस्टर ट्वीट करता की 100 कोटी जॅब्स दिले म्हणून. ताणें तें ट्वीट करपाचें की पेट्रोल 100 रुपया गेले म्हणून वयर. ताणें तें ट्वीट करपाचें सिलिंडर 1000 रुपया गेलो म्हणून. सो अशी परिस्थिती आयल्या की हांगा उलोवपाक अधिकार ना, हांगा जगपाक पादिशेर केल्या. जोडटा तितले पयशे सरकाराक कर म्हणून फारीक करपाचो आणि एक अशे सामान्य मनशाक ना जगपा सारकी परिस्थिती जाल्या. आणि हाका जबाबदार फक्त भाजप सरकार. मुद्दम पळया, केंद्रात पळया, एक निर्धार आणि निश्चय आशिल्लो एकूच पक्ष आसा जो नरेंद्र मोदीक आणि अमित शाहक टक्कर दिवंक शकता आणि तो म्हणजे ममता बॅनर्जी दिदीचो तृणमूल काँग्रेस पक्ष टीएमसी. पहिली म्हणजे बीजेपीचो जगन्नॉट जर तूं आडायतलो आणि बंद करतलो जशें तिणें बेंगॉलाक केला जाल्यार पक्षाक निर्धार आणि इच्छाशक्त आसची पडटा, जाका आमी इंग्लिशेन विल आणि रिझॉल्व म्हणटा. तो विल आणि रिझॉल्व ममता बॅनर्जीच्या नेतृत्वाक आसा आणि टीएमसीच्या ध्येय आणि धोरणांक आसा. म्हणून जर आमी बीजेपीक भायर आयतले जाल्यार एकूच पर्याय आसा, strong leadership, a party with a will and resolve and a party which is going to consider Goans as the high command. या पक्षात हायकमांड ना, हांगा गोंयकार हायकमांड. हांगा खंयच्या कोणशातल्यान एक गोंयकारान जर सांगले अशें जावंक जाय तशें जातलें. हांगा कोणूच काय भायर वचचो ना गोंयच्यान आणि गोंयच्या भायल्यान हांगा काय येवचें ना. गोंयकारांक जाय तो गोंयचो हायकमांड. या चार्जशीटीन पळया, म्हारगाय, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, करप्शन, इकॉनॉमिक कॅटस्ट्रॉफ, नो मनी इन पीपल्स पॉकेट. सिंपल भाशेन आता हे सगळे प्रॉब्लेम जर तुम्ही सॉल्व करतले जाल्यार ताका एक धोरण जाय, ताका धोरणात्मक दृष्टी जाय. जाल्यार ती धोरणात्मक दृष्टी कशी येतली? सरकाराच्या कार्यातल्यान येतली. 5 वर्सांनी या सरकारान कितें केला ते सांगचे, 5 गोष्टी सांगच्यो. फक्त बाक तापयल्या आणि त्या बाका वयले जर हांकां देंवोवपाक जाय जाल्यार टीएमसी हो एकूच पर्याय. आणि टीएमसीची लिडरशीप जी आसा ती स्ट्रॉंग लिडरशीप, तसली लिडरशीप जाय बीजेपीक टेकोन करपाक. म्हणून आमी चार्जशीट सरकाराचे फेलियर्स घेवन तुमच्या मदीं आयल्या. लोकांचो फीडबॅक, लोकांचे कितें म्हणणें आसा ते म्हणणें ह्या चार्जशीटीन आसा. पीपल्स चार्जशीट, फेलियर रिपोर्ट ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट आणि पीपल्स चार्जशीट अगेन्स्ट गव्हर्नमेंट. हातून आमचे लोकांचे म्हणणें कितें आसा तें रिफ्लेक्ट जालां. हे चार्जशीट घेवन आमी लोकां पर्यंत वतले, परते लोकांक बरोबर घेवन बीजेपीचे अगेन्स्ट कार्य करपाक आणि गोंयकारांची सत्ता स्थापन करपाक. कित्याक ही सत्तेन गोंयकारांक आपल्याच राज्यान भायरे करून उडयल्या. इतलेंच म्हणून सगळ्या लोकांची एसोसिएशन आणि कोऑपरेशन मागता. देव बरें करूं.
Questions you all wanted to ask?
I have a question to Mr. Babu Secretary. What was that?
One by one, please. Please. This young lady is asking a question.
Question is on
countdown by Sachin first. Our program will go on as usual, and whatever the repressive measure the Pramod Sawant government wants to take, it can take. Mamata Banerjee will face it all. She has faced many such problems in the past. She will face it again.
परमिशन के बारे में कोई परमिशन
Can I say, गव्हर्नमेंटान कसलेय तर उपाय काढले टीएमसीक बंद करपाक, वो करून ममता दीदीक बंद करपाक. ममता दीदी इज अ स्ट्रीट फायटर. We will fight on the streets of Goa along with.
रोहितन बाब, तुम्ही म्हणता तुम्ही गोंयान टीएमसी हाडटले, पूण तुम्ही जेन्ना काँग्रेसीन आशिल्ले तुमच्याकडे 17 आमदार आशिल्ले तेन्ना पार्टी जाली ना, तुमच्याकडे गव्हर्नमेंट करूंक जालो ना. आता कशें करतले म्हणटा
गोंय आणलो भायर
ना? पूण हरची
एक पावट न्हू, 2 पावटी गोंयच्या लोकांक काँग्रेस पक्षाक सत्तेर हाडले. 1999 एब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी दिली. कोणे वगडायली?
तुम्ही आशिल्ले न्हू
काँग्रेस लिडरांनी वगडायली.
पूण तुम्ही लिडर आसले न्हू काँग्रेसीचे.
2017 परतून सिंगल लार्जेस्ट 11 तारखेर मार्चाचे 2017 गोंयच्या लोकांक काँग्रेस पक्षाक आशीर्वाद दिवन सिंगल लार्जेस्ट मेजॉरिटी हाडली, आनी त्या राती कडेन आमकडे एब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी आसली. कोण बंद केली? काँग्रेस लिडर जे गोंयचे आसले आनी काँग्रेस लिडर जे दिल्ली आसले हेंनी बंद केले. म्हणजे तुम्ही आमचे सांगताय हांव आशिल्लो, पूण ते आमगेर हूंय आयकताय. तेंचे एजेंडा दुसरे आसले. टू ब्रिंग टू द बॅक डोर बीजेपी पार्टी. 1999 बीजेपी पार्टी हाडली, 2017 बीजेपी पार्टी हाडली. सो तुमचो जो प्रश्न आहा तो तुमीच रिप्लाय केला. आनी कोण आहा?
Babu, what was the immediate reason for you to leave the party, BJP?
I have spoken about it several times. Just go through it, search on Google, you'll get it. I don't want to repeat that. I don't want to repeat that. You know, you don't be at a place where your heart is not. If you want to serve the people, follow your heart, because that's exactly what the people want to see, that you are trying to do something for your heart. I have left. I have created an example. I think, as Dada has said, I have resigned from my MP post. Many, are holding on to their posts instead of shifting their loyalties to different parties. We have examples of that right in front, in 2 of them in Bengal itself. 2 MP shifted the courage. I have resigned from Lok Sabha. For the second time MP, and winning in Bengal doesn't come easy for any of us. So I think I follow my heart, and here my heart is in the right place with Mamta Didi. For the Goans, I also love football. I love fish and rice as it is. These are not any kind of emotional statements. These are, as I said, I reiterate, I am where my heart is, and that's the most important.
रिझन बघ तुमचे हे परमिशन कित्याक लागून नाकारला?
शुक्राराक आमकां कॉर्पोरेशनान परमिशन दिली. आयज सोनवार आयतार हॉलिडे आसली. शुक्रारा आमी एप्लिकेशन केल्लें. आमकां शुक्राराक डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान परमिशन दिवपाक जाय. म्हणजे तेंगेले गेम प्लॅन दुसरो आसलो, हिडन एजेंडा दुसरे आसले. आतां 2:30 तांणी आमकां रिजेक्शन दिलां. लोकशाय. आमी कोणाको उलयताय? वी आर टॉकिंग टू द प्रेस, द मेंबर्स ऑफ द फोर्थ स्टेट. वी आर प्राउड मेंबर्स ऑफ द फोर्थ स्टेट. This government doesn't believe in democracy. आमकां लोकशाय म्हळ्यार ती सोमना. आमकां फोर्थ स्टेट म्हळ्यार ते सोमना. म्हणटकच तेमकां आमकां तुमकोडे उलोवपाक तेमकां बरें दिसना. सो दे हॅव रिजेक्टेड. दिस इज नॉट जस्ट डेप्युटी कलेक्टर. इट इज द will. He is only a cage bearer.
But without ground can you decide? Any ground दिला का?
I'll read it.
Any ground किती दिला? कित्याक लागून?
Ground हेणी बरयला
Rejection.
तेजेर आमी स्ट्रेट बरयल्लें की वी वॉन्ट टू मीट द प्रेस. डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ते म्हणताय की we cannot allow you because there is a traffic jam आणि press and we cannot create a traffic jam. We could have walked 2 kilometers away and come walking without
The very reasons that were given for obtaining the permission, for giving the permission, are now the reasons why they have withdrawn it. Just see the permission sheet and see the note, the permission withdrawn sheet. They're almost the same.
Reason, Bob, I'll read it. Whereas the applicant Sri Arnav Kumar has sought permission for media interaction at Azad Maidan, Panjim on 25th October 2021 from so and so times. And whereas it is learned and stated that the police inspector, Panjim Police Station, Panjim, white report number so and so, and sub-divisional police officer, Panjim, white report so and so, inverted in this office on 25th October 2021, informed that a permission is not recommended as large gatherings may cause law and order and traffic related problems. In view of the above, the permission sought by you stands rejected.
But I think it's a great thing
But
that
the
they,
permission was only to interact with the press. There was no other permission we had sought.
So one thing-
Interaction with the press is regarded as an anti-national activity or anti-social activity or anti-this. This shows how much they love democracy and how much they are scared of politics.
I'm very greedy to take one line from what he said. They said that they are fearing large gathering. I think that says it all. The government itself is fearing that it's going to be a large gathering. So they know how unpopular they are and how much people can come to actually listen to us. That's the thing. Sorry sir, to interrupt you, but I thought I was part of it. Thank you.
Mr. Babu, just one thing. From what you have seen,
He's reading something. No,
from what you have seen so far in Goa, what is your understanding of Goa, its people, their problems and their concerns?
Well, you see, Goa has always been a very relaxed place. It has been a safe haven for tourists, not only from India but also all over the world. If you see the economy, if you see the state of tourism, if you see the mining sectors, if you see this is a charge sheet, everything is there. If you see the MSME sector, what I am saying is when you're talking about double engine Sarkar, this is not something that only the state government has done. It seems that the double engine was at war to wreck many areas in the region of Goa. And I think that, as I said, it has to be Congress and BJP have lost the trust of the people. People are disillusioned with them. So I think TMC is the answer. And you are going to get a government which is for the people, of the people, and by the people. That's what.
Thank you very much.
Last question. Last question.
I will just put the reads and come back if you want to. But in the meantime, sir, there's some tea and snacks. Where is the read?
Requesting everybody. Whenever you exit.
New January.